Here is how to join Fisch Discord server. So first open Discord and log into your account, and then click on Add Server button, then click Join Server, and in the invite link simply type Fisch, and then click Join. And sometimes it will prompt you to verify that you're not a bot. Then once you complete it, it should take you to the Fisch server. Now click on Verify your account, and it should send you a message from Double Counter Bot. You can simply click Me to verify. Click this link here. This will take you to a web page on the browser. Wait for it till it verifies your Discord account. Once it's verified, you should see success message here. You can simply close the page and then go back to the Discord server, the Fisch Discord server, and you should have access to all the channels. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.